And I'll probably take a little bit of a cue from both what Shubhayu said and Pankaj said and build on that. I think of the AI or the AI that is becoming available, fast becoming available to all of us as uh, a very smart campus grad. Shubhayu spoke about, his team is probably just a few years older to his daughter or younger to his daughter. I don't quite remember. But it's a very different kind of people that you work with when we get these fresh, young, bright, excited minds from a campus. And we know they've gone through fantastic schools. They've had a very good learning experience. And they come with a lot of chops and technical knowledge and the desire to do that. What they sometimes lack is the context. What in the organization is really required? What is the organization structure? What are the focus? What are the priorities? What does this function do? What does that function do? And we actually bring them on and we give them a bit of a primer, a training, and let them get accustomed and seasoned into the organization. And that's where when we see a lot of value coming out of them. Right? We've all been through that. We've all been through that ourselves, and we've had teams where we've hired from campus, and we've seen a lot of value that comes out of that. I think of these AI solutions today as these super excited, high-powered, high-calibered young guys. And we need to bring them on and really leverage them, what Pankaj was saying, as reimagine and rethink what would be the future of work. So that we can unencumber our existing teams, our processes to not be run the way they have been run forever in a very staid way, in a very old way, in a very manual way, if you will, or inefficient way. And if we think of that, then we can bring these AI solutions, agents, bots, whatever, or LLMs, or things which are becoming fast available as open source models, and really get them into this training mode, train them, give them the right perspective, give them the right question to think about, and you will start to see a lot of unlock of value, unlock of potential. And that is really where they will start to augment what the businesses want to do, what the humans want to do, and really use them as their efficiency multipliers, force multipliers, rather than anything else. So that's how I think about it. And that's how I'm also channelizing my teams and my own group and function. Of course, I cannot really double click on that because of the restrictions that I have on what I can and cannot share. But in terms of a general framework, that's exactly how I think about it. And that's how we're actually going down the journey as well.
Excellent. Thank you.